Time for another food video from Redundancy, the one known as CR. Alright, so I'm preheating my cast iron pan right here. Just waiting for it to preheat. Put a drop of water in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Just gonna turn it down here. Just about to medium. And put my mixture in. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle right there. I wish you guys could smell this. Just don't turn down the heat. Just a bit here. Gather this together here. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm trying something new out here. I added, and I'm trying out a different ingredient. You may notice a few things in here. One of the main ingredients in here is also an egg, you know, clearly. And one of the other ingredients I added in was some green onion. I added that in too. I actually added in some broccoli in here. And there's one additional ingredient that I added in here. But you'll have to wait till the end to find out what it is. And I decided to try this out just because I'm like, why not? It looks like it's gonna be scrambled more than an omelet, but whatever. It'll still be good regardless. And the reason why I'm doing this is to try this out. And, you know, in the preparedness community, they say, you know, if you're gonna store food, whatever it is, you know, store what you eat or prep what you eat and stuff like that. I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna actually try something else out and use a different ingredient. And I've already added it in. You can't tell now what it is, but like I said, I'll mention it at the end here. Maybe I'll drop an image of it before I actually added it into the mixture. And the reason I'm doing this, like I said, is just to, well, for two reasons. Because I'm hungry. And did I mention I'm hungry? Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, you can see it's coming together very, very nicely here. And I'm just making this as a snack. Well, more like lunch. Just keep turning this. I just have this on low heat. The cast iron is actually quite warm, so. And of course, I'm using a wooden spatula on this. You guys can't tell because I'm behind the camera, but I'm starting to like drool here. Because I actually am starting to get hungry just looking at this. And I already know I'm not going to start getting hungry probably as I'm editing this in post-production. I have a feeling. I'll probably have to eat again when I'm doing this later in post-production and editing the content to upload it here. Oh yeah, you can see that steam! I have the temperature down to like kind of minimal. Because like I said, I'm using cast iron. Can I show you guys here? So you can see that green onion right there. And like I said, I've added in an additional ingredient in. Just to vary it up and to use it up. Because technically I have actually consumed it before, but not in this way. So I figured, why not? Why not? Maybe add a little bit more into this, well, it's scrambled. type of egg, type of meal that I'm making here for lunch. I'm just getting it nice and hot here. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty nice now. Oh yeah. Now I'm not gonna add any seasoning in because I think the green onion will be good enough. And I'll get a plate in a second because I'm actually gonna turn the heat all the way off now because it's mostly cooked. I'm just kind of keeping it warm right now. Gonna move it to the side here. My element's right here, so I'm just moving it to the side here, kind of off camera, but so it doesn't burn too much. You know. Man, that's not so bad. I'll probably have to do a little couple of spots right here or whatever just to get that. It might be over here, for example. I'll be able to wipe that out. And I'll dry this off real quick here. Using a cloth towel here. Or a cloth rag. And just kind of wipe this excess stuff out. I might have to get some of this stuff off. Kind of get this water off. And then I'll re-season it. Oh, and by the way, everyone, just in case you're wondering, that's what it says on the back.
Yummy! Oh yeah, this. And like always, as our world changes, we can adapt to our skill and knowledge, get better with practice. Trying to help someone out there, everyone. And take care.